Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. Today I am doing the first project from January's class in the post, which is Hydrangea Haven. We've based this on Hydrangea Hill Suite. The class is based on. There are 4 cards and a bonus project for you in this class in the post. But equally, even if you didn't purchase my class in the post, you will be able to use this as a tutorial. So firstly, this is the sample card that I made from this stamp set. This is one of the simpler cards in the kit. So this stamp set is amazing. You should have had, it's in the mini January to June 2021, our mini catalogue, which launched on the 5th of January. It's all coming out. Although these images look small, they are just 75%, I think. As you see, it's a double stamp set and the stamps are much bigger. That one should be in there. So let's have a wee look. So it's kind of got proper line drawings, but then it's got blotchy bits to fill in the colour, which to me it looks a bit watercoloury. So this one I did with Purple Posy and Gorgeous Grape. This time I'm going to use another 2 colours which are actually in the designer series paper that goes with this suite. I'm not using in this card, but you will see it in some of the other projects. So for this one I've got a Rococo Rose card base and a piece of our Blushing Bride. Now I haven't used Blushing Bride in ages, so it's so nice to get it out again. It's a lovely pink. So I've got this is half a sheet of A4 folded in half, cut in half, and this is 14.4 centimetres by 10.1, just so that it will layer simply onto my card base. So this is the bit I'm going to stamp on. Now the reason I did this kit with more coloured stamping on coloured card was because unfortunately our Whisper White, which is wonderful for stamping on, is no longer available. Unfortunately, the company went into liquidation due to, it's COVID related really. So but Stampin' Up have sourced another company and we have a new white called Basic White. I'm waiting for mine to arrive, but I believe I've still got quite a bit of Whisper White, but I didn't want to be tormenting people with something they couldn't have. So that's why for that short period, for that class, I used coloured card. But hey, so what I want to do is this is one of my simple compositions, you know, one of these things that I know works. So I put sentiment. I'm using a different sentiment this time. In fact, I'm going to take this off. It looks like it's not straight. So let's just use your grid paper and your block just to get it straight. So this one reads, "The world is better because of you." And because I'm using photopolymer stamps, I'm just going to get one of my foam mats, my prick mat. We will get moving, don't worry. Right, I'm using Rococo Rose ink. I'm just going to ink up my sentiment and pop that in the middle. What a lovely script on this. I'll pop that in the box to get cleaned. And then I'm just going to stamp. I've taken this one, the outline stamp of the hydrangea. I love hydrangeas, I hope that you do too. And basically I'm just popping it. Just going to pop this around the card, kind of randomly. I know random's not easy for a lot of us, but we'll just see what happens. Again, ink it up, and then we get this one. Kind of want to get some leaf in, but I don't want to cover anything else up. Right, that's fine. I'll pop that to get cleaned beside my chamois in the box. Right, and then I'm going to stick with the same colour of ink, but I will. Oh, these are welded together. Right, so there's this blobby one which gives you the colour on the flower. So again, I'm just sticking with this Rococo Rose and just aiming it roughly at the flower. It just looks like a watercolour wash. You can still see the detail of the flower through there. Oh, that was a bit squint. I'm sure you can get yours straighter. It's because I can't get my head over the top to line it up. But you get the drift. That will lighten as it dries. I'll close my pink. And then I'll get I've chosen Granny Apple Green, and I'm just going to use this filler stamp for the leaves. A wee bit tricky to think this one out, but must be that way. Yeah. Nearly. It's close enough. It is meant to look kind of watercolory anyway, so we'll just settle for close enough. Obviously you can take your time and get yours lined up better. There's just a wee stalk here at this corner needing a wee bit of green. So that's basically what I did. I said this will dry out a bit lighter. And then I used the gorgeous grape ribbon that comes with the sweet, but obviously it doesn't work so well with pink. So I have brought in this beautiful woven ribbon from is it Forever Greenery? What's that one called? Forever... Yeah, Forever Greenery, the combo pack. It's got a gold thread with it as well. So because I think this works okay with the pink. So actually, I don't know whether I want a full ribbon. Well, I'll show you the method anyway. I'm thinking it might have been okay just with a bow, but we'll go with the original design. So I've cut a piece and get rid of that now. I need a tape runner. Right, so this is the bottom, so I'm just going to pop, she says optimistically, a bit of tape. It's needing a clean runner on the bottom here, just so that I can catch my ribbon. So pop that there, and then we'll see. See? Don't need as much as that here. That's fine. So that will be okay, and then I will use wet glue so that I have to put it on my card base. Come on. just go over the top of the ribbon, and then that will be it stuck on both sides, and that will hold your ribbon nice and fast. Have a bit of cloth here. I've got just a bit too much glue coming out of there. That's that. And then I just want to tie a bow, and I've got my trusty bow maker that my lovely husband made me when I broke my other one. I keep telling you the same story. So let's just see. We don't want too big a bow. Put that to the side. So it's really just, don't know, cross. Round and over, and then just tie this in a knot. As I said, I've tried a different colour, but I still think I prefer the purples, to be frank with you. But this ribbon is delightful. This is the first of me using it. When I first tried to get it, it went out of stock, so I waited a while for it, and then I never got round to using it, so we're using it now. So let's just sort this bow out. You can just faff till you get it the way you want it to be. And then I'm just going to pop it on here. So I just need a glue dot, which of course I've not got ready. I had them earlier. Why is this? Oh, yeah, there. Always, whenever I go on to film, I just take the top layer off. I just find that easier. There's some people do it different ways. That's just the way I do it. Just picking up 2 or 3. So I know once I stick it down, it will stay where I want it to be. And the only other thing I did, which I don't have prepared here, is I lined the inside with the contrasting colour as well. So there you have it. The world is a better place because of you, or you make me smile. Oh, forgot to pop some of these pretties, these beautiful coloured pearls. These are part of the Hydrangea Hill suite. So I'm just going to go with the pink. Put one there. Actually, oh, just leave that. Oh, we just leave it alone. Sort of a triangle. In fact, you know, I think I'll even it up and pop make that a 3. There we go. Still got an odd number. I still like an odd number on. Right, there you go. Thank you very much for sticking with me with it. That's the method for project number 1. I do prefer this. Do you know what I'm realising? I think I should have done the background with Blushing Bride, and then it wouldn't have been so powerful there. But anyway, I'm not going to redo it again. You can see what you like better. It was just to show you a different colourway. But thank you very much for watching, and let me know which one you prefer. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to push the bell icon, and share this out with anyone you think might be interested. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you. Bye bye.